Can I use Zelle with Acorns? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I use Zelle with Acorns? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. What is Zelle? Before we get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great way to pay friends and family, or to split bills with roommates. What is Acorns? Acorns is an investing app that helps you save money automatically. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Can I use Zelle with Acorns? The answer is no, you cannot use Zelle with Acorns. Acorns does not support Zelle as a payment method. However, you can still use Acorns to invest your money. There are a number of other ways to fund your Acorns account, including bank transfer, debit card, credit card. How to fund your Acorns account. If you're interested in using Acorns, here's how to fund your account. Open the Acorns app. Tap on the Funding tab. Select your preferred funding method. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Tap on Submit. Once your funds have been deposited, you can start investing them in Acorns. What are the benefits of using Acorns? There are a number of benefits to using Acorns, including automatic saving. Acorns makes it easy to save money automatically. Diversification. Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Low fees. Acorns charges low fees for its services. Easy to use. Acorns is a very user-friendly app. Conclusion. While you can't use Zelle with Acorns, there are still plenty of other ways to fund your account and start investing your money. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. Additional tips. If you're looking for a way to save money for a specific goal, you can create a goal in the Acorns app. You can also set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your Acorns account. Acorns offers a number of different investment strategies, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. I hope this additional information is helpful. Thanks for watching.